I'm going to use my Sweet Shop spreadsheet to look at how I can do some what-if modeling using GoalSeek. I'm going to enter a quantity of 100 grams of jelly snakes here, and I can see how much this would cost and how much budget I would have remaining. But suppose I wanted to spend all of my money on jelly snakes. I might have to fiddle around quite a lot here, entering different quantities to work out how many jelly snakes I could buy for my money. However, I can do this very easily using something called GoalSeek. I'm going to go to the Data tab at the top and then across the ribbon to where it says What If Analysis. I click on this and from the drop-down menu select the middle option, GoalSeek. You'll see that this has opened up a dialog box. First of all, it asks me which cell I want to choose and what value I want to set it to. In this example, I want my budget remaining to end up being 0, so I select cell D12 and type in 0. I want to achieve this by changing the quantity of jelly snakes in cell C4, so I click on this cell and press OK. And you can see that the spreadsheet does a quick calculation and works out that I could buy 793 grams of jelly snakes with my budget of £5, leaving no budget remaining. If I click OK, it will automatically change the quantities in the two cells to the new values. If I change the quantity to 795, you can see that I have gone over budget. I have applied some conditional formatting to the budget remaining cell so that once I go into a negative value, I can see easily that I've exceeded my budget. Let's try using GoalSeek once more. I'm going to clear the quantity of sweets, and this time I'm going to see how many fizzy cola bottles I can buy for £3. I go back to What If Analysis and select GoalSeek again. This time I'm going to set the budget remaining to be £2 as I want to spend £3 of my budget. And I want to do this by changing the quantity of fizzy cola bottles. Again, you can see that it performs a quick calculation and tells me that I can buy 638 grams of fizzy cola bottles to leave a budget remaining of £2.